Hey everyone, Gabriel here. You might have already noticed that some changes recently popped up inside your Look CMS dashboard, and at first glance, they might feel a bit confusing. But don't worry. First off, these updates are designed to improve your overall experience with the platform, and most importantly, they haven't affected the stable performance of your screens in any way. And second, everything's actually pretty straightforward. Give me just a couple of minutes and I'll walk you through all the changes step by step. So what's new? Let's start with the screen details page, the one that you land on when you click into a specific screen. Right away you will notice a new visual layout. There is now a TV frame showing a live preview of your screen's current broadcast. So whatever content is playing at the moment, you will see it right there. You also find a large, clearly visible block of screen statuses and settings. What's cool is that you can now customize which of these settings you want to display based on what's most relevant to you. Now to the functionality itself. From this screen page, you can now assign one of the four entities directly to your display. Individual content items, which will automatically combine into a playlist, an existing playlist, a schedule, or a layout. Previously, you could only assign a layout to a playlist, but now layouts exist as independent objects, and you can also insert playlists directly into layout if there is the playlist widget in it. So you've got more flexibility in how you structure and manage your content flow. Hope everything's clear for now. Great, let's keep going. Another major update is the introduction of the content creator. Technically, it's been around for a while, but it used to be part of the layout designer. Now it's a separate feature, and all of your editable templates have been moved to the content section. From there, you can add it to your template, working with layers, text, and graphic elements. Just a heads up, in the content creator, you won't be able to add apps or interactive buttons. That functionality still lives in the layout designer, which now serves primarily as a tool for building screen layouts with multiple content zones, apps, widgets, and even multi-level interactive scenarios with buttons and transitions between scenes. Now let's jump over to the statistics section. It's had a major upgrade and now looks more like a real analytics dashboard. You can track the status and usage of specific content items across your campaigns, filter data by time frames, and even export detailed reports. In addition to all of that, we've also refreshed the interface across most sections and completely refactored the CMS for improved speed, responsiveness, and usability. Well, actually, that's it. If you still have questions, our awesome support team is here for you 24/7. Just reach out anytime. We're confident that you will love these updates once you get used to them. Take care and see you soon.